Lumenator Series of area lights. Industrial grade lights with magnetic base. That's this light fixture right here. They feature special lenses, LEDs, to create an ultra wide floodlight. The senior version has a USB port to charge cell phones, tablets, pen lights. This area light has 3 light settings. That's off, low, medium, high. That's your 3 light settings. When you're working in an area that it's dark, you can move it. You can set it at different degrees and angles. It has this heavy magnetic connection. You can take this fastener off also, and you can fix it to something else. The buttons in the back and the rechargeable outlets in the back. Luminators can work with an optional tripod and make freestanding lights or a rafter plate for attaching to rafters and studs. 2-hour high, so in high mode you get 2 hours, 5 hours in medium mode, 9 hours in low mode. Recharge time is going to be 3 hours on this fixture.